Children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG Semester 1 book. Yesterday what we have learned? A or an. We have learned A or an. So, among the 26 letters in English alphabets, 5 letters are A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are A, E, I, O, U. They are called as vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. And the remaining letters are called consonants. The remaining letters are called as consonants. And I have showed you the consonants. I have showed you the consonants also. Yes, A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels, and alphabets are 26 alphabets are there. Among that, 5 are the vowels and 21 are the consonants. So, let's see the consonants. B, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. These are the consonants. These are the consonants. Have you got it? Yes, you can take it down. Have you understood the vowels and the consonants? Yes. So see here now. Let's read once again the example. An orange, an orange, an orange. A ball, a ball. A flower, a flower, a flower, a flower, a flower. An apple, an apple, an apple. An egg, an egg. A kite, a kite. An owl, an owl. A mango, a mango. A cup, a cup. Now this 1, 2, 3 I asked you to write. You to write. Okay. Then see here. A, E, I, O, U. U. So you have to write here. It's an vowel. We have to start here with A, N. A, N. Okay. Then C. C is a consonant. So you have to write here A. You have to write here A. And this is I. See again you have this is I is an vowels. Vowel, so what will you write here? A-N, an. A-N, an. Have you understood, children? Yes. About A or an. A or an. Okay, now activity. Activity we will write. Okay, now let's fill in the blanks with A or an. Activity, we will fill in the blanks with A or an. देखो तुम्हें कहाँ पे A लगाना है, कहाँ पे तुम्हें A N लगाना है. A N वोवल्स में आता है, कंसोनेंट में सिर्फ A आता है. कंसोनेंट में सिर्फ A आता है. ओके, सी हियर. am dash child. CHILD, child. I am a child. I am a child. Then the cat has dash fish. T-H-E, the C-A-T, cat. H-A-S, has. Again here you have to write A-F-I-S-H, fish. A, fish. हमने यहाँ पे A क्यों लगाया है? C is a consonant. F was also a consonant. Okay. अब देखो dash A-double-B-L-E, apple. A, D-A-Y, day. K-double-E-S, keeps. T-H-E, the. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. A-W-A-Y, away. Away. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. यहाँ पे A है, A-E-I-O-U. So what will you write here? Vowel है ना A, तो तुम्हें an लगाना है. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Keeps the doctor away. Okay. Then I take dash umbrella to school. I, T-A-K-E, take dash U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, T-O-2-S-C-H-O-O-L, school. School. So what will you write here? See here what is there? Again you have here vowel. Vowel is there? No. A-E-I-O-U. U is there. So you write here A-N, an. Okay. The dog has dash tail. T-H-E, the. D-O-G, dog. H-A-S, has dash T-A-I-L, tail. Tail. My mother gave me dash orange. My mother, my, M-Y, my, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, G-A-V-E, gave, M-E, me. See here, again you are getting here vowel. O, you write here, an, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Next one, dash owl, O-W-L, owl, F-L-E-W, flew, P-A-S-T, past, M-Y, my, window, an owl. Owl क्या होता है? Owl यानी उल्लू. Owl यानी उल्लू. इंग्लिश में उसको उल्लू बोलते हैं. An owl flew past my window. I went for dash walk today. W-E-N-T, went, F-O-R, for, A, walk, W-E-L-K, walk, T-O-D-A-Y, today, walk today. Then, I was given, W-A-S, was, G-I-V-E-N, given, dash, I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, cream, A-T, at, T-H-E, the, P-A-R, par, T-Y-T, party. Yes, I was given an ice cream at the party. I was given an ice cream at the party. Yes. 10th one, T-H-E-R-E, there, W-A-S, was, dash, elephant, ELEPHANT elephant, AT at, TH the, ZOO zoo, at the zoo. So what will you write here? E is there. This is vowel. So you will write here an. Have you understood? Have you understood? There was an elephant at the zoo. At the zoo. जहाँ पे vowels आया है, vowels letter first आया है, वहाँ पे हमें an लगाना है. an. और जहाँ पे consonant letter आया है, वहाँ पे हमें a लगाना है. a लगा के हमें fill in the blanks को a और an से लिखना है. A और N से लिख के कंप्लीट करना है. Have you understood, children? Got it? Okay. So the vowels and the consonants. A where to write and where to write. You have understood, I think so. Have you understood? Okay. So I have completed this page. And I have completed also the activity with the fill in the blanks with a or an. A or an. Now the gaps was given to you to fill up the gaps. Fill in the gaps तुम्हें दिया हुआ था, तो इसको तुम्हें fill up करना है. I am a child. अभी देखो सेंटेंस हो गया है ना. पहले यहाँ पे खाली था, हमने a भर दिया है. I am a child. The cat has a fish. The cat has a fish. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I take an umbrella to school. I take an umbrella to school. The dog has a tail. The dog has a tail. My mother gave me an orange. My mother gave me an orange. Yes. An owl flew past my window. I went for a walk today. I went for a walk today. I was given an ice cream at the party. I was given an ice cream at the party. There was an elephant at the zoo. There was an elephant at the zoo. Have you understood, children? Yes. So you have to learn by heart the spellings. The spellings. Which is the spelling? Am, child, cat, fish, apple. Then day, keeps, doctor, away, take, umbrella, school. Then dog spelling, tail spelling, mother gave spelling, orange spelling, owl flew spelling, past spelling, window spelling, I went spelling, walk spelling, today. After that, given spelling, ice cream spelling, party spelling, and then elephant and zoo spelling. These spellings you have to write for 5 times and learn by heart. What you have to do is, this what I have given, fill in the blanks, you have to write for 2 times. Write only for 2 times and learn by heart. With this, we will meet in the next video. Thank you and take care, children.